Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So this week 13, we begin chapter 4 in the textbook, which is all about drafting the research essay. So I want to point out this week's activity while I have you on the schedule here. Discussion board 13 is exercise 4.1. It's that dialogue with Dave. And then discussion board 14 is the initial post for exercise 4.3. Look for a lecture video about exercise 4.3, sometimes Wednesday late afternoon or evening, so you can begin working on that. You might want to read through that section in the textbook. So I want to point out one item in the modules here. I've also I've published many of the several, I think almost everything until the last week of the semester in Canvas here. So you can look ahead if you want to work ahead on some of the discussion boards. I'll go through the instructions of the draft of the research essay, which are not all that extensive. It's pretty straightforward as to what a research essay should be. So you might want to look through these particular modules. All right, there. Also, let's get back to chapter 13, discussion board 13 here for exercise 4.1. Let me get to this one. This is where you would use the template that I've have here in the exercise. This is like a left, right, much like the double entry journal. You can record Dave's questions here, and you can put your replies in the reply section. You can copy and paste this to a Google Doc. It should be pretty much straightforward table like any table in the Word doc or a Google Doc. That'd be a left, right. Here would be some of the questions that Dave would be asking about your research topic, the one that you've been working on, and then you record your thinking and responses on the right side. Try to be as specific as possible. This will help the process of transitioning from the research and writing to how you're going to put all your information together in a research essay conversation. Okay, so that is going to be discussion board 13. Now, discussion board 14, I urge you to take a look at the multiple leads on pages 128 and 129. This is where you get to take 3 different introductions. There's about 9 or 10 strategies that Ballinger offers in the textbook, and you can turn around and decide which 3 you want to use to possibly open your particular research essay. This is an effective way of really trying to get that first introduction out. Sometimes people struggle with that. However, if you use the strategies, think it through, and begin drafting it in your particular discussion board here, it'll help you when it comes to drafting the research essay. So that's what we have going on for the week. Like I said, I will have the lecture video talk a little bit more about 4.3, and then the research essay about Wednesday, late Wednesday, or early Thursday. All right. So if you have any questions or issues about where we're going, please send me an email. Good luck.